Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video we are going to learn how to merge code when we have some conflict. Now in last two videos we discussed about git merge with fast forward and no fast forward. But in both the cases we don't have any conflict. But this time we are going to create one conflict and then we'll see how to resolve the conflict and merge the code. So what step we are going to follow in this video is, first we are going to create one new branch, then make some changes and commit into new branch, then we will switch to the master branch, then we'll make some changes to the same file change we have done in the new branch, and then commit the change in master. After that we'll try to merge new branch changes to the master branch. Now because changes are in same file, so we'll get conflict. So we'll see how we can resolve the conflict and merge the changes. Now let's check the git status, and here we are on clean working directory. Let's check the branches. Here only master branch is there, so I'm going to create a new branch and switch to that branch. We are in new branch now. Now let's clear the screen and we are going to edit apple.txt file, and here I'm going to add one new line, and that line I will say line 10. So after adding this new line I will save this file, and now we will check back the git status. We can see one file has been modified. Let's see the difference. So here we can see one new line has been added here. Now let's commit this change. So we are going to commit and add both at once, and let's give the commit message here that line 10 has been added. After that we'll see the git status. Again we are in clean working directory. Now I'm going to switch to master branch. Now in the master branch again we have to modify the same file, that is apple.txt, and here it is the previous version what we have here. So what I will do is from 4 I will change it to 5. So there is some change in apple.txt file in master branch also. Now if I will check the status, I can see I have a modified file where we are removing line 4 and adding line 5. So we are going to commit these changes. I will give the commit message like modified line 4 to 5. Let's save this, and then let's check the git status, and here we can see it's a clean working directory once again. Now if I'll check the git log, this time we'll get to know that we have added something in new branch that you can see, as well as master has also modified some changes. Now let's try to initiate git merge. So I will say git merge new one, and we are getting conflict because apple.txt file has been changed in both the branches, master and new branch. So in order to resolve this we have to start the merge tool. I don't have any merge tool installed, so it will go to the default merge tool available. So here we can see there is one file, that is apple.txt. We can see middle is the current status, and in the left side we have master branch, right side we have new branch. So we have to decide what change we need. So below here we can see I will keep line 5 and I will remove line 4, because after this merge I want line 5 and 10, these two things I need. So after modification I will save this file, and now I will close all these editors. Now changes has been done, so we have to commit the change. So I'm going to add and commit this change after conflict resolution. Now you can see merge, it is again back to the master branch. So here we can see the status, and in this file, that is apple.txt.original, This file has kept the original content. In case like conflict has some issue, we'll still have the original data. Now let's look back the log, and here we can see the order. So first it has modified the line 4 to 5, then added line 10, and then we have the commit message. So here we can see finally we have line 5 and 10 added here. Now let's remove the new branch what we have created. So git branch -d to delete it, and that's it. So thank you for watching.